Greetings, YouTube. This is your brother Wasil Bay coming at you with a educational video. What we have here is a brother that he killed his offspring's other half, and my heart goes out to the tribe because the little ones, they the one who's losing right now. They should have been more responsible, sat down and wrote a contract and kept third parties out their business, Because think about this is common sense. What if they award all the men their offspring? How would America be? This country. It'll be better, right? This land, this territory. Pangea. Huh? Morocco. El Morocco. Whatever you want to call it. Christopher Smith don't talk about real shit. So this for the brothers and sisters of Cali. Now look at this. You gotta hold these two people accountable. You gotta hold these two people accountable. Write them a nice letter or whatever. I'm gonna show you your remedies. And if you can't read or comprehend and do the paperwork, hey, that's where I come in at. And my services are not free. Alrighty. Let's go to the word individual. This is what individual means. And I'm going to leave it at that. Single object or thing. Look at that. Meaning single human being. That's in the 16th century, it was a single object or thing. And they changed it, right? To a human being. To the 1640s. Look what it means in Latin. An atom. Indivisible particle. That's what individual means. Right? You gotta learn how to read, people, and comprehend. I know a lot of y'all don't know how to comprehend, but here's another one. Look at that. Single particle. Separate. You see that? Look at that. Indivisible entity. Look at the bottom word. A single shoot or bud. English has so many words and different meanings. There is tricks and magic. That's why they have magistrates up there. Do you believe in magic and the hopes that you do? Ain't nobody finna pimp me and put no magic on me. I rebuke that. All of it. Okay, let's get the angry man. He's been banned from California in the 818. He ain't made no video about this brother here. You know what I'm saying? He said he's gonna stump a mud hole in his ass. Told him he was banned from here. So you're restricted to that area. Then he told him he hide behind the camera. Ooh, enough said. Warning comes before destruction, people. Now, let's get back to business. Check this out. Administrative law judge, this is in California. Before a child support hearing is administered, the judge shall administer an oath. He's supposed to say his oath and swear in the other parties. But do he do that? No, because you niggas don't read. Okay. Here goes the confidentiality statement. And this all off the website, people. Let me show you a conflict of interest. Look at that. The Internal Revenue Service. Look at that. Tax. Look at all them people. Child support is voluntary. When you go put that social down there, you show your ass up down there, they got jurisdiction over you voluntarily. Go to my past videos. Now, let's get down to business. More business. Look what the term person means under the 26 United States Code 7701, Section 8, Number 1. The term person means an individual. Didn't I just show you in this book, this dictionary? A trust, estate, partnership, association, company, or corporation. 5 United States Code 55-2A, government organization and employees are part. The term individual means a citizen of the United States. Look at that. The term taxpayer means any person subject to any internal revenue taxation. Yeah, you've been duped. You know, it takes a fool to learn. That's learned for you people who want to be corrected in English. But I'm in the South. Look at that. Individual. Look at that. Look at all you UCC niggas. The word person means what? An individual, corporation. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, man. Y'all been fooled and duped. Can you get out of child support? Yes. Can you rescind any contract? Yeah. You can do anything you want to. God damn it. Didn't they tell you that? Didn't people tell you that when you was growing up? You can be whoever you want to be too. This is what we finna break down, right? I'm finna break this down to the T for you. This is the California Child Support Services. Wow. Let's go and get down to this handbook. I'm already at 7 minutes. I'm getting fast at this. Administrative law judge. Now, didn't I just show you? Didn't I just show you up there what a law judge supposed to do? Administrative judge. Now, this ain't a federal judge. This a paper motherfucker to put papers in your hands. Look up what the word administrative means. Like administrative assistant. What administrative assistant does? She shuffles paper, right? Right. Customer service. Bingo, you beat it right there. Customer service. Who got Walmart got customer service, don't it? If you don't want something from, you go buy something from Walmart, you want to take this shit back, go get your money back, who you go to? The customer service desk. Quit making this shit so fucking hard. Administrative procedure. Look at that. Look at that. That's another remedy. Method by which support orders are made and enforced by an executive agency rather than by court and judges. Excuse me. Let me read that one more time. Method by which support orders are made and enforced by executive agency rather than by courts and judges. The God of law was not lying. He is not fraud. The legal dads, they are some fraud motherfuckers. Calling all legal dad customers, come over here because I be your brother, not a customer. He call y'all customers and shit. You foolish enough to fall for it. Look at that. I'm going to show you what arrears mean again. Financial. Does it say legal? Look at that. Now, Angry Man said our man gave him an affidavit and it was sovereign citizen shit. That sounds so stupid, don't it? What's an answer? appearance. A coming into court as a party to a suit either in person. What did I just read you about person? Huh? Y'all need to be me and wake up and be a fucking man. But you do have a person, that's your all cap name. That's your property. Look at that. Applicant, an individual who submits an application for Title 4D services a company. Fellows and sisters, don't y'all have to fill out an application to get a job? To get some services, right? Okay, check this out. Assigned, right? Let me go down. Look at that shit. Automatic stay. Now, for you legal dad dudes that did that bankruptcy, what's that guy, Warren Williams? Nigga, please pick up a book. Research my shit. Look at that. Automatic stay. You voluntarily filed that petition. Petition means to beg. That's what petition means, and people don't know that. I'm gonna file a petition. Oh, you finna go beg, huh? Nigga, make you a claim. I don't wanna be no defendant, no plaintiff. Plaintiff means an old hag. Defendant, nope, I ain't defending shit. I'm claiming shit. I'm claiming you lying. It's fraud. That's that fraud shit. Bankruptcy trustee. Third party appointed by the bankruptcy court who administers and supervises the assets and debts of a person in bankruptcy. That's why it's not good to do that shit, because you're putting yourself deep into debt. Quit being so fucking stupid and pick up a book and read. Bench warrant. This is what a bench warrant is, right? Billing statement. Look at that shit. Let me see some. A bond. A bond is your word, people. That's the first original bond. A promise, usually guaranteed by a bond company to perform an act to follow the orders and judgments of the court. Bail's bonds, people. This who runs child support. California Youth and Health Services. Food stamps, Medicaid, and all that old shit. Okay, this is gonna debunk everybody. Case ID, the unique identification number assigned to a case. Who assigns the case? Huh? For all you dumbass niggas talking about they want to see a case number, dismiss and all that, they ain't gonna tell you who win because they don't want to be embarrassed. So get that out your fucking head. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this shit. Cause it's already 15 minutes. Case participant. That's why I said, how you participate? You can volunteer to participate, right? Just like when you play a game. Now let's get to what arrears mean. Debt, installation, loan payment. Loan. When niggas tell me I'm in arrears, nigga, you made a loan? Huh? This coming out the banking book. Fella, stop being stupid and pick up a book and read. Look at that shit. Judiciary and judicial procedure. Jurisdiction and venue. Definition: person includes natural person. Ain't no such thing as no natural corporation. That sounds stupid. That's just like these homosexuals got laws. They need to give child sex offenders and murderers laws and tell them you can't discriminate on them for killing your kinfolk. Now don't that sound stupid? Y'all people under a heavy spell. Now check this shit out. Texas Government Code. That's what this shit says in Texas. They do all the fraud in Texas. That's when Enron was at, remember? The term person means a corporation, organization, governmental or government, subdivision or agency, business, trust, estate, partnership, association, and any other legal entity. Not lawful, but legal, because they want you in a legal society so you can be a part of a legal ass religion, so they can put the magistrate and put strategy on your ass when you go take your ass up to the pulpit so they can pull your soul, and then you be running around, I gotta pay child support. If you, hey fellas, if you continue to pay child support and you complaining, do this. Cut your dick off, put on a dress, get you some high heels, and just do the shit. I don't want to hear no whining. You want to get off? I got 100 remedies. You hear me? I got 100 remedies. And I men do too. And I'm pretty sure the brothers that beat it, they got some too. You know what I'm saying? So, real men hit me up. Bitch niggas that's crying, shut the fuck up, pay your child support, and go be with your boyfriend. Hotel.